Hello YouTube. Today I thought I would do a video here on Gamblin's Solvent Free Gel. I haven't tried this yet. It's been sitting in my studio for a little while now. This is a non-toxic solution, or at least it's labeled as such. I think that this is just a gel version of safflower oil. So this, you can clean brushes with safflower oil, no problem. Really don't want to paint with it because it makes a weak film. But the video is not about regular safflower oil. It's about this exciting little product. I got this because I thought maybe I would want to try this painting in the field, or I'm traveling with my painting gear on a plane. Obviously, you can't bring flammable solvents with you. So I got this. And let's try this out as a little demonstration for you, the viewer. And let's see if it's any good. So I got to put a little paint out. Let's go with ultramarine blue. Another Gamblin product. So I don't think that this is something you would really want to use to mix into your paint like you would an odorless mineral spirit, to thin it out into a wash and start putting it on your painting surface. This would probably be better. It's just a cleaner, but who knows? I haven't tried it yet. Stuff wasn't cheap, by the way. I think this little tube was, I don't know, 12 bucks. I can't remember what I paid for it. I bought it a little while ago. So it's definitely a gel. Some oil, or something that looks like oil came out, like when it separates in a paint tube. So let me grab a little paper towel and a paintbrush. I'm gonna take this guy here and wipe it out. So let's take this wiped out dirty brush into this product. Okay, so doing this feels sticky. Grab a little more. It definitely has a stickiness to it. Doesn't look like it, but I can definitely feel it dragging. I don't know why. Let's wipe it out. Let's get some more. Okay, it's a little less sticky, but I can definitely still feel it. I don't know why that's the case. It feels like stiff oil paint, where you would add medium to it to make it flow better. It's thinner than honey, but it feels like I've added some honey to my paintbrush here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go into some straight ultramarine blue here. Really, I'm gonna work that into the bristles so it's saturated. Okay. So let's go into the product. I mean, it kind of works. don't think it's that spectacular. Let me squeeze out the paint after wiping. Yeah, you can, it feels sticky just touching it. Yeah, I don't know. Wasn't expecting this result. I think what we'll do is for another video, we'll do a tiny little painting, and I'll use this exclusively. No other mediums, no odorless mineral spirits. And we'll set that to the side, and we'll see what happens on a time scale. But yeah, it's kind of sticky. I would much rather use odorless mineral spirits in my silicoil jar here to clean out the bristles, or to even, you know, work it on the palette here. You know, just going back into straight pigment. I mean, you could feel, this is the Gamblin Ultramarine. It feels like fresh oil paint. You know, I'd probably want to add maybe just a hair, a touch of my preferred medium to it. But otherwise, that's pretty much on the mark. But then when I bring it in here, it definitely feels a little stickier. Yeah, I don't know. And that's my dog barking, so I guess he doesn't really, he's not really going for this. I don't know, this is strange. This is going to take some more testing. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but it's definitely not a replacement for odorless mineral spirits in my limited testing in this video. If this helped you out any, please subscribe, like, and share. It helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you, and have a good day.